For thousands of years, humanity has looked up at the night sky and wondered what the universe is made of, how it began, and where it's going. We've built telescopes, satellites, detectors, and models that were supposed to explain everything. But today, something extraordinary is happening. Our models are breaking. Our theories are failing. Our measurements don't match. And the deeper we look, the stranger the universe becomes. This is not the astronomy of the past. This is astronomy in crisis. But here's the twist. This crisis is the best thing that has happened to science in a century. Because every contradiction, every mystery, every anomaly is pointing toward one truth. The universe is hiding something big, something revolutionary, something we've never seen before. And for the first time in human history, we are close to tearing open the veil. This is the story of how astronomy reached the edge of its understanding. And why the chaos unfolding right now is incredibly, unbelievably exciting. Astronomy entered the 21st century with unmatched confidence. We thought we had a standard model of cosmology, a clean, elegant framework that explained almost everything. The Big Bang, dark matter, dark energy, cosmic expansion, the evolution of galaxies, the cosmic microwave background. It was beautiful, it was tidy, it was wrong, or at least incomplete. Because then, something surprising happened. Observations became more precise than the theories. And suddenly the numbers didn't line up. Just like a puzzle with the wrong pieces forced together. The universe's biggest red flag appeared. The Hubble tension, the Hubble constant, the number that tells us how fast the universe is expanding, has been measured in two completely different ways. And the results do not match. Not even close. One measurement suggests a younger universe. The other suggests an older universe. Both methods are incredibly accurate. And both contradict each other. This isn't a small error. It's a cosmic alarm bell. Something, somewhere, in our understanding of the universe, is fundamentally broken. And this was only the beginning. If you look at the universe closely, you notice something strange. All the stars, planets, gas, dust, galaxies, everything we can see, is only 5% of the universe. The rest, we call it dark matter and dark energy. Mysterious, invisible, untouchable. We don't know what either one is. We can't see dark matter. We can't touch it. We can't detect it directly. But galaxies rotate in a way that proves something massive must be there. And dark energy, it's even more mysterious. It's a force, or a property, or a field, that is accelerating the expansion of the universe. We don't know why. We don't know how. We don't even know if it's constant or changing. Astronomy is built on things we've never observed, and cannot explain. And now the cracks are widening. When the James Webb Space Telescope launched, scientists expected clarity. Instead, it delivered chaos. It looked deeper into the early universe than any instrument before it. And what it found was impossible. Galaxies too big, too early, too mature. Galaxies that should not exist. Stars forming faster than any model predicted. Massive structures appearing only 200 million years after the Big Bang. This era was supposed to be quiet. The cosmic, dark ages. But instead, the universe was building galaxies in turbo mode. The standard model said, this shouldn't happen. The universe said, watch me. And then came another shock. Supermassive black holes, already fully formed. Appearing far earlier than any theory can explain. They are so massive, so early, that the timeline of the universe itself seems wrong. Something big is missing from our understanding. The problems didn't stop there. The universe is supposed to be uniform on large scales. No giant structures, no gargantuan walls, no cosmic webs that stretch beyond theoretical limits. But astronomers found the Sloan Great Wall, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the South Pole Wall, colossal filaments spanning billions of light years. These structures should not exist. They're too big. They formed too quickly. They violate the rules of cosmic expansion. It's like discovering a skyscraper built before bricks were invented. Another sign that the universe we thought we understood is far stranger than we ever imagined. Black holes, once simple, are now a nightmare of contradictions. Some are spinning at nearly the theoretical maximum. Some are far too massive for their host galaxies. Some are merging in ways that should be impossible. LIGO detected gravitational wave events that break existing models. Every black hole seems to whisper the same message. Your physics is incomplete. Even the Big Bang, one of the strongest theories in science, is facing challenges. The cosmic microwave background shows anomalies. The axis of evil. The cold spot. Unexpected alignments. Strange symmetries. It's as if something shaped the early universe. Something left fingerprints across the sky. Something we don't understand. New ideas are rising. Cyclic universes. Bounce cosmology. Modified gravity. Emergent spacetime. Multiverse models. Quantum gravity frameworks. The Big Bang still stands, but the foundation beneath it is shaking. There are two pillars of physics: general relativity, gravity, the large-scale universe; quantum mechanics, particles, the very small. Both are spectacularly successful, yet both fail to work together. Trying to merge them leads to contradictions, infinities, broken math. This is the greatest unsolved problem in physics. How does gravity work at the quantum level? Every crisis in astronomy, every anomaly, every mismatch, is pointing toward a single truth. We need a deeper theory, a unified theory, a revolution. Science does not advance when things make sense. Science advances when things break. Every crisis in the history of physics led to a revolution. The failure of classical mechanics gave birth to relativity. The collapse of Newtonian certainty created quantum mechanics. The ultraviolet catastrophe transformed our understanding of energy. The photoelectric effect reshaped particle physics. Every breakthrough began with something strange, something that didn't fit. Today, astronomy is overflowing with things that don't fit. That means we are closer to a new discovery than at any time in human history. The crisis isn't a problem. It's a doorway. And now, look at what's coming. The Nancy Grace Roman Telescope. The Vera Rubin Observatory. Euclid, LISA, the Extremely Large Telescope, the Square Kilometre Array, quantum gravitational detectors, next-generation particle experiments. These instruments will measure the universe with unprecedented precision. They will test every anomaly. They will confront every contradiction. They will force the universe to reveal its secrets. We are entering a new golden age of discovery. What if the crisis in astronomy is not an error, but a message? What if the universe is saying, "You've reached the limit of your old theories. It's time for something new"? What might we discover? New particles, new forces, extra dimensions, dark matter particles, dark energy evolution, primordial black holes, quantum structure of spacetime, signals from before the Big Bang, hints of the multiverse. Any of these could become reality in the coming decade. The crisis isn't a sign that astronomy is failing. It's a sign that astronomy is evolving. From ancient stargazers, to early telescopes, to modern observatories, to gravitational wave detectors, humanity has always pushed the boundaries of the unknown. Every generation believes it has reached the limit. Every generation is proven wrong. And now we stand at the edge of the next great leap. Astronomy is not dying. Astronomy is being reborn. The universe is vast. It is strange. It is full of mysteries. And that is why astronomy is in crisis. Because we are finally able to see how little we truly understand. But in that ignorance, in that uncertainty, in that cosmic confusion, lies the birthplace of discovery. When we say, astronomy is in crisis, we are really saying, we are about to open a new chapter in our understanding of reality. The universe is challenging us. The universe is provoking us. The universe is daring us to dive deeper. And for scientists, for dreamers, for explorers, there is nothing more exciting. The crisis is not the end. It is the beginning.